You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words correctly. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English, more words that are spelled differently, have different meanings, but are pronounced the exact same way, same pronunciation, make sure to stay tuned about many more videos, interesting ones for you. They're both pronounced same way, no difference. Peace, so you have a P sound, E sound, a long E sound, and then an S sound. Peace, how to pronounce in English, American English and British English and American English are similar here. Peace, the top word is peace, meaning there's no war, and the bottom word is piece, as in a part, a small part, or like a piece of a puzzle, for example, piece. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Was this any useful? Let me know. See you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.